Hi everyone, and welcome to this pre-recorded assembly.
What's up, guys and gals? Mr. Tim here, and you there. This is the first ever pre-recorded school assembly in the history of East-West International
I
School.
hope everyone is staying safe and practicing proper social distancing.
Obviously, we would prefer to be on campus together doing this assembly, like up in the assembly hall.
It has been quite a crazy year.
Because there's a 100-person limit on those platforms, and all of us are at home now, it would be very difficult to pull off. So we're gonna record this and then post it to the East-West social media platforms later on.
On today's agenda, we'll be talking about some StuCo events, the award winners for last month's school goal, and we'll be announcing this month's school goal.
So this is in recognition of the school goal for the month of November, which was E3, express thoughts, ideas, and knowledge in writing and other ways. So I'm going to announce the recipients of the certificate for this month as nominated by the teachers. So first we have nominated by Miss Jen, Dara Keogh. Congratulations, Dara. Next, grade 7, nominated by Miss Jen as well. This is Tyler Bone. Congratulations, buddy. Also in grade 7, nominated by Matthew Powell, Hoi Chang Mia. Good job. Grade 8, we have nominated by Matthew Powell, Mr. Lim Powhong. Powhong. Good job, Powhong. Also in grade 8, nominated by Miss Manami, Kihoi Chong. Good job. In grade 9, nominated by Mr. Nat, Sere Soka. Good job, Sere Soka. In grade 10, nominated by Mr. Matt Wilson, Ravin App. Good job, Ravin. Nominated by Mr. Russell, Juan Song. Good job, buddy. And also nominated by Matthew Wilson, Hang Leap Sang. Good job, Hang Leap. Grade 11, nominated by Mr. Justin Chan Ridivong. Good job, buddy. And nominated by a combination of teachers, Mr. Gary and Miss Manami, is Nyet. Good job, Nyet. And last but not least, grade 12, nominated by Miss Angie, Dara Pick. Good job, Dara Pick. And nominated by myself, Makani. So this would be the time when the teachers explained, why they selected those students. I can only speak for myself. For Makani. Makani did a great job at presenting the Model UN workshops, the PowerPoints, and the various global perspectives classes. The Model UN, which has now been postponed, we'll do that in term 2 sometimes. That's why Makani got the award.
Okay, so student council announcements. This past weekend was the Among Us tournament. If you participated, I hope you had lots of fun like I did, brutally murdering your own friends and then lying about it. And if you were watching, I hope you had fun watching Mr. Jeff die first every round, I guess. We hope to organize more tournaments just like this with better prizes if we can. I'm sure you may know by now, but if you don't, for the first time in East-West history, Student Council has successfully launched student-run clubs. So make sure you get involved and create more opportunities for yourself, whether that be making new friends, learning new skills, or becoming an expert at skills that you already have. This will be something great to put onto your CV right away. Now on to cancellations and postponements. First, the Christmas banquet and Secret Santa. These 2 events have been canceled. The merch release will be postponed due to limited supply, but don't worry, we will come through and make sure you get some cool stuff to wear for next semester. So make sure you pre-order and watch out for a hoodie release as well. Everything will be $10. Well, the hoodie and the shirts will be $10. I know this year hasn't been very eventful, well, as in there hasn't been many events, lots of things that happened this year. But StuCo will try their very best to make sure we make up for all the lost time. Please take it away, Mrs. Tim.
I just want to say that keep sticking with the online learning. I know it's difficult. I know it's a challenging time. You're all doing a good job. We're almost at the end of the term. Keep plugging away. And ciao for now, according to Mr. David. That's a Mr. Davidism. See you later, guys.
Yeah, hi. Mr. Tim asked me to say something really, really profound about online learning. The most important thing for you to remember, don't ever forget this, about online learning is